In this video, I'll show you how to change your region on Netflix. The first step, for example, I have my Netflix account and I want to search for this show called The Wonder Years right here. I will not find it right here. So how to change your region and watch the show The Wonder Years. So what I will do now is I will open this NordVPN extension, this NordVPN app right here. I installed right here. And from here I can change my location to any country I want, to any region, as you see from here. So for example, I will choose United States, and as you see now I am connected to United States, and this is my IP address, and I will refresh my Netflix. And now if I search on the Wonder Years show, I will find it right here. As you see, the Wonder Years show right here, I have it. So how to do that? So I will show you how to set up. The first step, what you need to do is you need to download NordVPN app or Surfshark VPN app. So in the NordVPN app, you need to click on my links in the description, and you will have a huge discount on it, massive discount, and 30-day money back guarantee as well. Tap on get the deal, and from here we have 4 plans, and I recommend you to choose 2-year plan, because if you choose 1-month plan, this is very expensive and there is no discount about it. So I will choose 2-year plan, and we have 4 plans, and this is the cheapest one, which is the basic. I will choose the plus, which is the most popular plan. Tap on get plus and insert your email address from here and choose the payment method, and tap on continue, and after that they will send you the info login on your email to login inside your NordVPN app or NordVPN extension on your Windows if you have laptop. And we have the Surfshark VPN app as well offer. You will have a huge discount right here. If you click on my link in the description, you will get 86% off, which is insane discount I have for you. Tap on get Surfshark VPN, and they have a 30-day money back guarantee as well. And as you see from here, this is a huge discount, and choose any plan from here you would like. I will choose the most popular plan in the middle. Tap on get one and insert your email address right here, and choose the payment method and tap on continue, and they will send you the info login on your email address to login inside the Surfshark VPN app. You can download the apps on your phone on Play Store or App Store, and after that you can change your Netflix region easily. Please click on the links in the description to claim this offer. Thank you.